So we're starting with. So after this, we are going to. Are you? One, two, everyone one now. Let's go. This is the last one. Last one.
Power.
What an awesome ministration. Hi guys. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and we are continuing the series of Vamp, the African praise Vamp, and we just gave you guys a snippet of what normally happens, the full band. Now all the times I've just been doing just the piano alone, and now we are working with the full team, and I'm so blessed and honored to have these men of valor, men of timber and Jurex. No.
I did pray for you.
It's been a while. You guys need to. You guys need to even. I think. How will I even say this? I think when was the last time Jurex came to from all the way from Rwanda. I had to bring him back. It's been a long time. Man of God.
Rwanda, they wondered. Hallelujah. You guys
What
are,
they
you guys should be happy because we have Reverend Sorge.
Yes, on the bars.
The one you saw in one of the video, yeah, and you asked.
Yeah,
And we have
actually.
Ojoko,
Or jokes.
the guitar talks too. And we have Bold on the drums.
Drums.
He's wearing Aya, Fire, Shantabaya. So guys, welcome to this session, and we are happy to have you guys around here. And
So real quick, we're going to be looking at what everyone should do while like during pre-sessions. Now I am working as the lead piano player, and I'm going to be in the process. I'm going to be showing you guys different patterns. You remember in the last lesson I talked about there are different patterns to vamping, and then these patterns are they are orchestrated by what you hear. Now, if the drummer doesn't give a particular groove to a particular genre of music, now it alters what that music should be all about. So in this pre-session now, the drummer played different. If you guys pay attention now, you can hear that different kind of groove, and the bass player also was he was how do I call what English I'm short of words right now. I don't know how to, but let me say he was backing up the groove that the drummer was, the rhythm now. Yes. So it's not sounding like the drum is this way and then the bass is this other way. Now everything is coming together because music is supposed to be combination of harmony, melody, and rhythm. You understand? So we have the lead guitarist now, which is also giving a kind of rhythmic pattern with melodies now. And now every of these things has styles. Now let's quickly look at this song. We'll play this song quickly on the let's play this on the key of F sharp. So now let's play this. On to the Lamb on the throne, is a song, is a song. So let's play it now. Let's go. 1, 2. One more time, one more time. Now, if you notice what happened just if you notice what happened just now, you can see that when the drummer switched to, from the Ghanaian kind of high life to the Makusa, the Sukus now, you notice that the bass line changed. The aux player also switched. You sure we're hearing something like, I think, do that stuff. Yes, from there now, he now switched to full vamp. You can hear his vamp style. So now let me just play the loop. So let's go. So just the aux now. Just the aux now. Yes. Drums, wait. So now drums, let's go. That go. Yes. No. Same group. Yes. So Sarge, now let's go. You can hear the kick now and now as lead piano now you can see that you're not doing so much, but the music is there. So switch to Makosa now. Move on. Now see the vamp. Last one. You heard aux play. We are doing a lesson on the role of an aux player, right? Supposed to consider that series. Yeah. And don't think I see your response. You don't come again. Now you notice that in this una yes synth. We are going to actually talk about this one, but let's no yes synth. For those of us where they drag row with lead guitarists, una swear say you and lead guitarist now like this una one they go. No Allah, we'll come to that. But now let's look at this this style of vamping now, where I had this. So now do that so I can 1, 2, 3, go. So now look, notice. You can see. So now the snare is supposed to be pa, right? Now you can notice that I'm doing the pa on this hand. So just notice it. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. So Sash, play all together. Just same groove. see another vamp style now. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So quickly to break down this. For this now we have now it sounds stupid until the music comes in. Now, why vamping? You need to add swag to your, add some kind of swing. You don't just vamp like you are quantized. Yeah. You get? See what I'm so far. So far. Last all. So far. Woo. So now switch to the sukus now. 1 2. Notice the van now. Last one. So quickly, for this is the last one for today. So the last one for today. I'm breaking down this particular vamp for the sukus now. I've talked about the one where you do. So now the sukus now I had to switch because the energy is getting high, and I had to switch. I talked about what they call it, inversions. Yeah. So now you notice I was here, but as the music is getting higher, I switched down here. So I have. I necessarily don't need to play because we are playing 1, 5, 2, and 4, right? Which is do, so, re, fa. You doesn't need to play re, like you can just remain on your fa. One, remain there. You already have your bass player to do that for you. So now, this is it. Now this is getting more difficult. So this is it. Good. You see, you can even switch this now to RRSF. You see it? Yes. Let's try 1, 2, 3, go. You can see the vamps there, so I think, how do I break this down? So I have 1, so you have do 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 re do, so la, so same thing, but different inversion. I can bring it here now. Same thing I was doing here. You can switch them, different inversions. So I have. yeah, you can also. Let's go. One, two, three, go. One, two, same thing now. Last time. So that's everything for this particular session. Please, you guys should stay tuned for more lessons coming up on the Vamp series. And also, I have you. I'm sure you guys enjoyed the loop we used in this lesson. Now, that loop is one of the loops in my pack, and it's on a discount price for 20,000 naira only. So please rush to the description. Or I'm also going to drop my email in case you're having issues with payment, because some people had issues with payment, and then you can just send me a mail, and we could talk on WhatsApp. And also, for some of you that have no idea what inversions are, maybe you are lost, because this series. If you are following this series from the first one we started, you notice that we started from level one, and then we are growing now. The level different vamp styles are getting, we're expanding them now, trying to be more creative. Yeah. And if you're having issues with a lot of things we talked about, you can check my beginners course. I broke down everything, every necessary thing you need to know about music. Yeah. So once again, please also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also we have the drummer both stick, yeah, on YouTube. Click it now. I'm going to drop each of their channels. I'm going to drop it in the description, so you check both stick, Jurex. We all know Jurex. we all know Jurex. I'm also dropping that too. Jurex is running a series also in his YouTube channel about Ox also, so you can check that out. And Soj, I've been waiting for you this thing.
Reverend.
You know, so okay, Soj, you never started
We
YouTube.
can reach him out on Instagram.
Yeah, you can also reach him out on Instagram.
Soj, favor Soj. Yeah, favor underscore Soj.
All right.
Then Paul Ojoko.
Ojokes.
The only Ojoko.
Yes, Ojoko vocals.
Yeah, we have. So this Paul Ojoko, you can reach him also on Instagram. Yeah, for your gigs and tracks. He also sell loops back. Yeah.
Yeah,
He
guitar
sell-
loops.
he
Yeah,
sell guitar
Afro
loops
beat.
back. So
Yeah.
if you're a producer, this is the right person. Yeah.
So should we do one more session before we go? It's just sweet.